This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the compressor safe and accessible. Turn it off, unplug, and drain the tank until pressure is 0. Once done, check and tighten frame bolts and the motor pump coupling so nothing rattles. Next, swap hard feet for rubber isolation pads or 1/2 anti-vibration mounts, placing them under the frame at all contact points. Make sure to lift only as much as needed to slip pads in. This reduces structure-borne noise immediately and sets you up for the next steps. Now focus on the airflow and motor, which produce the most noise. You should install a discharge muffler sized to your compressor's CFM and PSI. This smooths pulsations and cuts high-frequency noise. Once the muffler is fitted, replace rigid intake tubing with flexible rubber hose and add a sound-absorbing profilter to the intake to lower roar. For the motor, fit an inline isolator or flexible coupling, adjust belt tension to spec, and align pulleys so vibration and squeal are minimized during operation. Finish by containing residual sound. Place the compressor in a ventilated acoustic box lined with 1 to 2 inches of open-cell foam and baffling to prevent direct sound paths. Once enclosed, run a load test, monitor motor and pump temperatures to ensure ventilation is adequate, and retorque the mount bolts after a short run. If you still hear clunks or high-pitched whines, inspect valves, piston rings, and bearings. Replace worn components. If overheating occurs, make sure intake and exhaust clearance is increased and vents are unobstructed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.